Hey everyone, so today I'm going to share with you guys how you're going to repair your Soundsticks 2. So I have my Soundsticks 2 for about 7 or 8 years now. It has served me really well, but over the years, the membranes on the drivers are starting to tear. Luckily for me, I found replacement drivers at aliexpress.com. They are about $10 USD for 2 pieces. I bought 8 pieces to replace all of them because all of them are starting to tear. So the first thing you want to do is get a pen knife and slowly score along the sides of the 2 speakers. And then very gently, you'll be able to pry open the speaker casing. All the speakers are connected using a metal clip, so all you have to do is pull them out gently. So this is how the old driver looks like. The crackling sound is caused by the torn membrane. This is the side-by-side comparison between the old and the new. So once I've removed all the drivers, I give it a thorough cleanup, and I make sure everything is dry before I put in the new drivers. So the drivers have 2 metal pins, one with a red marking. So you got to orientate the speakers and make sure the red color pin is on the right side. Try to be gentle when you push in the drivers and avoid pressing in using the metal part. Press in using the black color plastic parts instead. So with a little bit of patience, eventually you will be able to install all the new 4 drivers. And then it's just a matter of pushing back in the metal contacts. To reassemble the housing, I use small drops of super glue to glue everything back together. So that's it, you're done for one side of the speakers. For the other side with the volume control, it's pretty much the same thing, just that you have to use the screwdriver to unscrew the 2 metal contacts. So just be a bit careful because the metal contacts for the volume buttons can be easily misplaced. So same for this side, once the cleanup and the driver replacements are done, you can just glue it back together using very small drops of super glue. So there you have it, the result is a brand new pair of speakers, and now it's time to test it out. So there you have it, overall this set of speakers are very easy to repair. I hope this video gives you a better idea on how you can repair this yourself. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.